Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. So this is our last lecture in which we have just studied the important feature of simple harmonic oscillator. Now I am going to tell you something about the damped harmonic oscillator. This is a short question. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन के तौर पे ये क्वेश्चन आता है और इसको हम थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हैं कि अभी तक हमने till we have studied simple harmonic motion by using real examples. So what does that mean? What does that mean of by real example? Real example, for example, we have a simple pendulum, we have a ball and ball experiment, and a mass spring system. In all these examples, these are real examples, but we have put a condition, which condition is ideal case. Ideal case. What is that ideal case? In all these examples, we have done that the spring is on a frictionless surface. The string of the pendulum is massless, or there is no air friction. But this is not the case in real life. When we say the real example, that what is being held in reality, real में क्या हो रहा है? रियलिटी में हम ये बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते कि बिल्कुल फ्रिक्शनलेस सरफेस क्रिएट कर ली जाए जिसके ऊपर मास मूव करे और एयर फ्रिक्शन को ख़त्म, तो by creating a vacuum we can reduce the air friction, or we can neglect the air friction, but again there is no material which is massless and there is some friction at the node point of the pendulum. So real case में जब हम बात करते हैं कि मास स्प्रिंग की मोशन की, let's suppose this is the mass spring system, this is its stretched form, and here we have a compressed form of this mass spring system. तो जब ये oscillate करेगा अपनी मेन पोजीशन which is the position O, इस मेन पोजीशन के along इस तरफ और इस एक्सट्रीम की तरफ, these are two extremes, this is the stretched form and this is the compressed form. तो जब वो इनके दरमियान मूव करेगा तो इस मोशन के दौरान फ्रिक्शन एक्ट करेगी. कौन सी फ्रिक्शन? जो कि सरफेस की फ्रिक्शन है. इस फ्रिक्शन के दौरान ये बॉडी इवेंचुअली अपनी मोशन को डिक्रीज करेगी और आखिरकार दिस मास स्प्रिंग सिस्टम इवेंचुअली stops. This mass spring system eventually stops. So for the case of pendulum, the friction that is being acting on a pendulum, it will stop its motion, and after some oscillations the bow will come toward its main position which is designated as O. So in our real case all the systems are damped, there is no ideal oscillation. So a motion in which the oscillator eventually stops due to some external forces, the system is known as damped harmonic oscillator. I'm going to write that a system which is influenced by some external agent of force eventually stops. So this system is called damped harmonic oscillator. We can show this motion by a graphical diagram. So I am going to draw a graph of simple harmonic motion, both the ideal case and the real case. So when we have ideal case, when we are dealing with ideal case, then the graph will be smooth. There is no decrease of the motion. Let this is the amplitude of the motion, positive x and a negative x. So the motion is constant. There is no decrease in motion. But when we talk about the real case, real one, so the graph of the motion will eventually decrease and the motion of the system will stops. So this is a damped harmonic oscillator in which the motion of the oscillator eventually stops. Hope this video will let you to understand the damped harmonic motion. This type of a motion under a real case is called damped harmonic oscillator. Thank you so much.